My baby on her first day.
Is that too tall for you?
Learning how to ride this bike. Look at that thing back there.
Let me go down.
Ooh, ooh. Tat it up. Oh, yeah, her face right there. Alright, here she go. Here she go. You know what I'm talking about? She on that CBR 600. Doing her thing. Yeah, look, she like daddy bike. You can't compare her about the daddy bike now. You hear me? You, hey. Look at that lady. Man, he already saw it on the bike, man.
What that mean?
That shit $199, man.
$1?
Yeah.
Cause you don't use this for your feet?
No, that ain't for that.
Oh, alright.
That's for the reservoir, so that cap won't come off and shit. You probably got one on yours too. Look at shit. Look at her. She showing out. Look, she showing out. Please don't fall, child. She doing real good. Old lady, white lady shot at that. Talking about she doing good. Your hair look good, boo. It still look cute.
Once you get used to it and you're moving, and you just put your feet up.
I can't wait to ride together. Look at her.
Hey.
We're gonna be the we're gonna be the cute. I'm gonna ride on the back of your bike. Hey, J-Mac. J-Mac.
What up, Joe?
I help that boy right quick. I read. What size that back tire is?
Huh?
What size that back tire is?
My back tire?
That shit either say 180 or 190.
180.
Oh, okay. All right, that's good. Hey, look how she backed that thing up. Ooh, woo. Look at my baby ride. I'm getting it. Look back at it. Look at it, look back at it. Oh shit. Now she turning.
She turning. That was good.
Oh, this feels so great.
Come alive and direct.
actually done.
Don't hit that black mamba. Man, she know how to ride, man. She out here just stunning.